Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the z. In here we don't have z. So the integration of this one, we have z, and we put the bounds from r squared over 3 to the square root of 18 minus r squared. So I will put this one cone here and this one cone here. So we have r multiplied by this one. So we have r multiplied by the square root of 18 minus r squared minus r to the power of 2 over 3 with r in here. So we have r to the power of 3 over 3 dr dθ. So in this situation, I need to separate them in here. So I will find the integration of this one and the second one. Now I will go to the second one. The integration of r to the power of 3 we have r to the power of 4 over 4, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 3. So I will put number 3 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we calculate the numbers in here. We have 27 over 4. And we have the integration from 0 to 2b. The integration of this one, we have theta. And we put the bounds from 0 to 2b. So we have the answer for this one. So we have negative number 27 over 2b. Now let's go to the first one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 18 minus r squared. Later that we put the square for the both sides. To cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u squared, we have 2u. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one we have true or with the negative in here. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when r equals to number 0 from here. So we put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to the square root of number 18. When r equals to number 3, that is from here. So I will put number 3 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 3. Now we need to change this integration in here. Number 0 we change by the square root of number 18. Number 3 we keep the same with number 3. The square root we change by u. R dr we change by negative u du. Now u and u we have u square. So the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. So I will put number 3 cone here, the square root of number 18 cone here. So we have negative number 9 plus 18 with the square root of number 2. And now we have the final answer in here. Because this is 0, so should be minus 0. So I just write like this. Now we combine the answer in here. So if we combine and we have negative 63 over 2, and we will have about 36 with the square root of number 2, and we have b in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.